Newtok, a Patagonia film made by Michael Kirby Smith and Andrew Burton, made from 2016 to 2020, presented by Nicole Glasgow, Lucy Stedham, and Katarina Moreau.
Our agenda is to cover Newtok, the Yupik culture, what is happening in Newtok, the permafrost and its effect, and a timeline. Newtok is located in a village in Alaska, and they primarily use the Yupik language and culture, and they are located where they're located due to the federal government thinking this is the most convenient place to build a school.
The Yupik culture originates from southwest Alaska. Yupik is Alaska's strongest native language. It is still used, and in many communities, it is the primary language spoken. The Yupik culture relies on a subsistence lifestyle. This lifestyle typically consists of hunting, fishing, and gathering for local foods. They are also known for making masks, grass baskets, and dance fans, which are popular tourist souvenirs. All males live in men's houses and community centers. Young boys are held to high standards. They require great awareness and ability to follow directions, as well as being willing to leave their mothers to join their fathers in the men's community at a certain age. Women live in Inna, where they learn how to do household duties such as cooking, gathering, and caring for children. These beliefs of the Yupik culture are enforced through their education systems. What is happening in Newtok? Due to Newtok being located close to the water, their land has become susceptible to erosion. With permafrost melting their land away, Newtok must find a solution for their village.
Permafrost. What is permafrost? It is a sublayer of soil and rocks that is frozen for at least 2 years, with an active layer about 4 to 6 inches thick that will thaw and refreeze every year. How is this dangerous? The thawing of permafrost can destroy homes and villages because most communities in the northern hemisphere are built on top of permafrost due to its strong structure. How does climate change affect permafrost? When permafrost is melted, organic carbon is released into the atmosphere. Also, ancient bacteria and viruses from the soil and ice will also thaw with the permafrost, and that could make humans and animals very sick. Permafrost impacting on Newtok. Since Newtok was built on top of permafrost, the permafrost is being thawed, and that is causing the houses built on top to not have enough support to withstand storms and flash flooding. In 1949, Newtok was discovered by the U.S. Geologic Survey. Every year, about 70 to 90 feet of land is being lost in the Newtok community. Around 1.4 billion people will have to relocate due to the rising sea levels by 2060.
Covered throughout the film is a timeline through 2016 to 2018. And in 2016, the village council administrator, Tom John, went missing. And following that, his nephew, Andrew John, took over his council position. And in 2016, Newtok had a planning meeting to set new goals to move 21 families by 2019. In 2017, states blocked their application for disaster funding, directing millions of dollars to other Alaskan communities, and Newtok had planned to use this money to buy over a dozen homes at risk of destruction. This is the third time within the last 2 years that they had thought funding was on the way just to be disappointed. And in 2017, they had met with FEMA to discuss new funding plans and ways to help Newtok. In 2018, budget funding passed to relocate Newtok, granting them $15 million to help aid the relocation of Newtok.
This is our reference page, and thank you.